actually from learning to play the guitar. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song The Storm by Boy and Bear. This song in particular starts off with two main chords throughout the verses, which are B minor and G. And it just alternates backwards and forwards between these chords for a good chunk of the song, actually, these two particular chords. So then there is of course a strumming rhythm for these particular chords. So for B minor I'm going to do this thing: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So it's four patterns of down, down, up, down, up, and we're just repeating that 4 times. And then we'll go to G and do the same thing: down, down, up, down, up, 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 and back to B. So let's do that all together. Is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, and G. So that goes around in the verse. There's 4 of those. Then, because I won't wait for you, is when it changes to an E minor, then an F sharp minor, then a G. So here I'm going to go half bar, so it'll be one pattern of down, down, up, F sharp minor, down, down, up, G on the end. So I'll do it again. So here we go. And that takes you into a little melody which goes on top of the B minor and the G chords, which is up here between fret 10 and fret 7. So B minor pentatonic stuff. So on the fret 10 and 7 on the first string, and then fret 10 on the B string, back to fret 7 on the first string, and 7 on the second string. So I'll do it again. 10, 7, 10, 7, 7. The second bit, same notes all mixed up. 10, 7, same string again, 10, 7, 10 on the second string, 7 again on the first string, 10, 7, first string, 10, 7, 7. So second part, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 7. And the final piece again, same sort of notes, but 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7. Slightly confusing, but just the same 4 notes mixed up. So the whole thing sounds like this. There's a rest, 1. And again a rest is 1. And that's going on top of the B minor G thing, which we played before, which is the same as the verse. And so the only other thing that is different in this song, so there's not too much structurally to this song to get it to go, just getting nice smooth changes with your bar chords, is the end. And I'm not leaving nothing to the grave is the lyrics there. So we're basically going to do the same rhythm, but we're going to change to an A chord. So it's sort of like heading towards the end. So we've got 2 bars of A, which is 4 of those little patterns, 2 bars of G, and that goes around twice. So in reality that will sound like down, down, up, down, 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 G. Back to A. That leads to the ending, which is the chords B minor, A, and G. And so what we have is a bar of B minor, a bar of A, and a double bar of G. Same strumming pattern, but they'll obviously be slightly different numbers because the way the song is structured. So this sounds like this: B minor, down, down, up, down, and down, down, up, down, up, A, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then a G, which is a double. Keep going on G. Back to B, down, 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 A, G. And that's all the parts of the song, so have a bit of fun with that. From Boy and Bear, The Storm, a really great song, one of my favourites of them. Subscribe to the Learning to Play the Guitar YouTube channel for more lessons, and don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications when I upload a new video. You can also check out my books and more guitar lessons at learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.